Hey guys, Uncle Jay. Wanted to show you my black Sumatra. And with those, there's a little trick. I don't know if I can get it from behind, but they grow 2 fighting spurs out on each leg. And my Vader boy, let me see if I can zoom into his feet, but you'll see 2 spur holes in his feet if it zooms in. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can see it from me, but you should be able to see it from you. And I got Vader, Luke, and this would be Vader's son, which ain't totally black. He's got a lot of green shine in him.